In this video, I'll be showing you how to work the two-tone Fisherman's rib stitch. This rib stitch uses two colours to make a reversible rib, which has one colour on one side and then another on the other side. This stitch is used in our Earl cardigan pattern, a collaboration with Ocean Knits. Today, I'll be using Wool and the Gang's Big Love Cotton in raspberry pink and in white noise. I'll also be using a set of 6.5 circular knitting needles. This stitch can be either worked flat or in the round. Both must be worked on circular needles. Today, I'm going to show you how to work this stitch flat. So, let's get started. To work this stitch flat, it is worked over an odd number of stitches. Today, I'm going to be working over 19 stitches. Using colour A, cast on 19 stitches using the long tail cast on technique to begin. Now, first you must work a setup row of 1 by 1 rib stitch. So beginning with a purl stitch, work in 1 by 1 rib to the end of your row using colour A. Then turn your work to begin working the two-tone Fisherman's rib stitch. To work this stitch flat, you will be repeating 4 rows. Row 1 is a right side row. You need to change to colour B, but don't cut your colour A. So you can tie your colour B onto colour A, like so. For your first row, knit the first stitch using colour B. Next you'll be working a repeat section. So purl 1 stitch below. This means purling not into the stitch on your needle, but into the stitch below. So through here. Then take your yarn to the back and knit the next stitch. Repeat this section until you reach the end of your row. Bring your yarn to the front, purl 1 below, take your yarn to the back and knit 1 regularly. Now, once you reach the end of your row, instead of turning your work, you're going to slide the stitches over across your circular needles back to your other needle, like so. Now, for your second row, this is also a right side row. You're going to now be using colour A again. Knit the first stitch. Then you're going to be working a repeat section. So purl 1 stitch, then knit the next stitch 1 below. So don't insert your needle into this stitch on your needle, but insert it through the one below, like so, and knit. Repeat this until you have 2 stitches left of your row. So knit, purl, and then knit 1 below. Purl, knit one below. Now you have 2 stitches left of your row. Purl 1 stitch and then knit the last stitch. Now this time you will be turning your work. So turn. Now that you've turned your work, you're ready to work the 3rd row. This is a wrong side row and you're going to be using colour B again. So insert your needle and knit 1 stitch. Next you're going to be working a repeat section. So knit 1 below, so not inserting your needle into this, but inserting it into the stitch below, knit, and then purl 1 stitch. Repeat this until you have 2 stitches left of your row. So knit 1 below, then purl. Knit 1 below, purl. Now you have 2 stitches left of your row. Knit 1 stitch below and then knit the last stitch. Now once you've reached the end of your row, again, don't turn your work. This time slide it to the other side of your needles, like so. Now you're ready to work the 4th row. You're going to be using colour A for this, and this is also a wrong side row. So knit the 1st stitch. Next you're going to be working a repeat section, so knit 1 stitch, then purl 1 below. So not in here, but in the stitch below. Now repeat this until you have 2 stitches left of your row. Knit 1, purl 1 below. Knit 1, purl 1 below. Now you have 2 stitches left of your row. Knit both these stitches. Knit 1, then knit 2. Now this time turn your work. These are your 4 rows to repeat. Continue repeating these 4 rows to continue working in the 2-tone fisherman's rib, and you will end up with something that looks like this. If you want to work the stitch in the round, you must cast on an even number of stitches instead, and then repeat these 2 rounds. Round 1 is using colour A, and you knit 1 stitch below and then purl 1 stitch. Repeat that until the end of the round. For round 2, you'll be using colour B, knit 1 stitch and then purl 1 below. Repeat that to the end of the round, and then you'll have the 2-tone fisherman's rib in the round. Thanks for watching.